And I'm the princess. How was it?
Oh my God, daw. Gusto ko may beef. Wala ako yung in-order. But it's good.
May mamanos pala dito. Hindi kumain na tayo na kumain. Pwede lunch. Tomorrow. May parking, pero you're gonna line pa. Seriously. And then, you're gonna limit your stay for like 2 hours. So, hindi kami natuloy, guys. So, guys, ganito siya. Kasi walang pastry. Ganda pa ng park namin, oh. Dito po ang bagsak natin.
Taste test. Taste test number 2.
Test number 2.
Sarap din ito. Try nyo to, guys.
Thanks, vlog! Pero gusto ko na rin mag-vlog. Ang ganda ng camera.
Guys, ang sarap niya.
Yung isa.
Ubos na siya. Tingnan niyo yung isa. Sabi niya sa video kanina, ang sarap, di ba? Okay, guys. We're going to another location.
Going to another food trip. It's like, pang-ilan for today. First is the bag of meat. Second is mushroom burger. Okay? This is the third one. And we're planning to have fourth food trip for today. Tayo pa ba?
Ayaw mo nang kain ko pala yung tirap kanina.
Oh, sige, wag ka daw. Hindi, yun yung food trip natin sa hotel na.
Bye.
Bye! She's so busy on her businesses and everything. Wala yung day off. Napakasipag niya. Wow! Smile! Pretty! Hey! So, hi guys. Nag-aaya na po siyang umalis. Hindi ko pa po umalis kasi. Sayang to. Kasi mo na. Oy. Kapag na. Hindi na lang tayo ng take-out box kasi sayang.
So we're back at the hotel. Look at our pigs. This is me. Lucky. This is our final pick for today. Say hi, Romy. Hi.
Look at my car. guys, mag-check out na kami. Gutom na siya. Morning po. Huwag na po. Kayo na lang.
Sino na high blood?
High blood sa chicken skin, guys. Nakakaliyo kasi yung kinain namin.
Mali po kami ng desisyon sa buhay.
Ang hirap mamili kasi mukhang masasarap lahat. Okay, bye. Lola Nena, sibak ka naman. She's going home.
I'm going home, bitches. Uy, hug mo ko, tsaka. Hug.